on northern areas. I woke up this morning and when I looked at my mobile phone, I realized that after your statement last night on saying that you would be Pakistan's ambassador in Saudi Arabia, I looked at my mobile phone and I realized that, Your Highness, if you stood for elections in Pakistan, you will be able to get more votes than me. You are at the moment extremely popular, and I especially want to thank you for the 2,100 prisoners, Pakistani prisoners who were in Saudi jail, where you announced this morning that the prisoners will be freed. Again, on behalf of the people of Pakistan, I want to thank you, because most of these people are from the labor class who go there out to work, and as I said last night, they leave their families behind, and they unfortunately, because in Pakistan we have not been able to provide them employment, that's why they have to go. And so I'm really grateful to you for these prisoners that you have announced this very generously announced this morning to release. I also want to say that the MOUs we have signed, this is the first time that Saudi Arabia and Pakistan have a relationship now which is beyond the very narrow confines of a relationship. This is the first time we have a relationship that is now developing into other spheres. The MOUs reflected the enhanced relationship. But what I feel is that this is just the beginning, and I think Pakistan's geostrategic location and the comparative advantage of Saudi Arabia in certain areas and advantages that Pakistan has, the combination augurs very well for the future. As I said, I'm extremely happy with your trip. We want you to consider it your second home. The Prime Minister House where you lived, rest assured that whenever you are in Pakistan, consider it your own house and you can come and stay there. And so I thank you again.
Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister, and we feel home in Pakistan, and I hope in one day of Ambassador of Pakistan and Saudi Arabia I did my duty in a good way. So we believe in Pakistan future. We believe that Pakistan have a huge opportunity. In 2030, Pakistan will be next to really two huge economies. One, China will be the largest economy in 2030. And two, India will be the largest third economy in 2030. So Pakistan definitely will be benefit from these neighbors. There is great leadership to put Pakistan in the right position. And we can see that happening. We can see in 2018 the Pakistani economy grow by 5%. So we believe that Pakistan has a huge potential in the future. It could be one of the biggest 20 economy in the future. I believe easily if the effort of the leadership, of the people of Pakistan and their allies come together, definitely it can reach that one day. So because of that, we believe in Pakistan, because of the long relation, because of our brother in Pakistan, we want to be part of that journey. And we want to risk our money, to risk our efforts, and to start from day one. So what we did today is the beginning, and we hope in the close future we do more and more partnering with Pakistan, project in Pakistan and Saudi Arabia.